Now we are going to learn a new topic from a given quadratic polynomial. From a given quadratic polynomial, we are going to form another quadratic polynomial. From a given polynomial, we are going to form another quadratic polynomial with the given two individual zeros. Two other zeros. ஒரு பாலினாமியல் கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. அந்த பாலினாமியலில் ஜீரோ நமக்கு ரெண்டு ஆல்பா பீட்டா தெரியும். பட் நம்ம வேற ஒரு பாலினாமியல் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அந்த பாலினாமியலோட கண்டுபிடிக்க வேண்டிய பாலினாமியல டூ இண்டிவிஜுவல் ஜீரோ கொடுத்துருவாங்க. அப்போனா ஹவு டு ஃபைண்ட் அ டூ பாலினாமியல்ஸ்? கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் 1. இஃப் ஆல்பா அண்ட் பீட்டா are the zeros of the polynomial 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Form a quadratic polynomial. Form a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 3 alpha and 3 beta. இப்போ 3 alpha and 3 beta வந்து இந்த பாலினாமியலோட ஜீரோ கிடையாது. அப்போ நம்ம இந்த 3 alpha 3 beta இருக்கிற பாலினாமியலோட 3 alpha 3 beta ஜீரோவாக இருக்கிற ஒரு பாலினாமியலை நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சாங்க. அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணோம்? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கிவன் பாலினாமியல் 2x ஸ்கொயர் minus 3x plus 1. இந்த பாலினாமியலுக்கு we got two zeros. The two zeros is alpha and beta. அதனால first find sum of alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square minus coefficient of 2 minus 2 divided by minus of minus 3 divided by 2 is equal to plus 3 by 2 minus into minus plus 3 by 2. So இப்போ alpha beta equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Constant term 1 by 2 1 by 2. என்ன கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோம்? given polynomial sum of the zero means product of the zero கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோம். Then இது alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Now what is the given zeros? Given two zeros are who are 3 alpha, 3 beta. The given two zeros are 3 alpha and 3 beta. இப்போ இதுக்கு sum of the zero and product of the zero we will find. Sum of zeros is equal to 3 alpha plus 3 beta. இப்போ we can take 3 common. 3 into alpha plus beta. 3 into alpha plus beta is equal to 3 into இந்த ஆல்பா ப்ளஸ் பீட்டாக்கு இந்த வேல்யூ நம்ம போடணும். ஸோ இப்போ 3 into 3 by 2 is equal to 9 by 2. 9 by 2. Now we will find product of zeros. What is the product of zeros? நம்ம sum வந்து we keep it is s. Product will keep it is p. Product of zeros is equal to 3 alpha into 3 beta. இந்த ரெண்டு ஜீரோ தான் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ண ப்ராடக்ட் ஆஃப் ஜீரோஸ் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 3 into 3 9 into alpha beta 9 into alpha beta. அப்போ 9 into alpha beta is 9 into alpha beta is 1 by 2. அதுவும் 9 by 2. That also 9 by 2. அப்போ therefore required or is required polynomial. This required polynomial, now this another polynomial. The required polynomial, already we know the formula, already நமக்கு தெரியும். Sum of the zero, product of the zero கொடுத்திருந்தா we can form the quadratic polynomial. By the formula k into x square minus alpha plus beta, that is sum of 0 into x plus product of 0, or x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to required polynomial is equal to k into x square minus sum into x plus product. Plus product. இது formula. See x is k into x square. x square க்கு x square. இது கொடுத்திருக்கிற பாலினாமியல் எந்த வேரியபிள் இருக்கு அதை வேரியபிள் பண்ணோம். மைனஸ் சம்னா இதான் சம் ஆஃப் தி ஜீரோஸ். 3 இதோட வேல்யூ வந்து 9/2 into x plus product இந்த வேல்யூ product இது product of zeros 9/2 there is composite where k is any real number. That's all the answer. Or we can take two common, leave as it is. See, first we are going to form a from a given quadratic polynomial. We are going to form another quadratic polynomial with given two individual zeros. First sum 2x square minus 3x plus 1. It is a given polynomial. From that alpha plus beta is 3/2. Alpha into beta is 1/2. The two individual zeros are 3 alpha and 3 beta. For that I have found sum of zeros and the product of zeros and apply in the formula. Question number 2. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, f of x is equal to 3x square minus 4x plus 7. Find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 1/alpha and 1/beta. Given polynomial is 3x square minus 4x plus 7. The given polynomial is 3x square minus 4x plus 7. From this given polynomial, we have to find sum of the zeros and product of the zeros. Alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta, we got the formula minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Here minus coefficient of x is minus 4. Minus of minus 4 by coefficient of x square is 3. Minus into minus plus 4 by 3. Plus 4 by 3. Then find alpha and beta. Alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is constant term divided by coefficient of x square. What is constant term? Your constant term is 7/3. So we have found the sum of the zero, the product of the zero from the given quadratic polynomial. Then we have to form the required number of zeros, the required number of required sum and the required product. So given two zeros are given two zeros are 1/alpha and 1/beta. We have to form another quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 1/alpha and 1/beta. For that we have to find the required sum of zeros and the required product of zeros. Sum of zeros, it is S is equal to 1/alpha plus 1/beta. Here we have to add two fractions. Here alpha and beta are different. Therefore two denominators are different. When two denominators are different, to take LCM, multiply both the denominator. Alpha into beta. Alpha beta divided by alpha, we will get alpha cancel beta. Beta into 1 beta. Plus alpha beta divided by beta, we will get alpha. Alpha into 1 alpha. Beta plus alpha and alpha plus beta is one and the same. Then substitute the value. Alpha plus beta is 4/3 divided by 7/3. 4/3 divided by 7/3. 3 cancel. 4/7. Then product of zeros. Product of zeros is P. Product of 0 is P is equal to 3 1 by alpha into 1 by beta. 1 by alpha into 1 by beta. Multiplication of two brackets. Multiply numerator and numerator, write in the numerator. Multiply denominator and denominator, write in the denominator. 1 into 1, 1. Alpha into beta, alpha beta is equal to 1 by alpha beta is alpha into beta 7 by 3. 7 by 3. 7 by 3 is equal to 1 by 1 into 3 by 7. 1 by 1 into 3 by 7 is equal to 3 by 7. Required product is 3 by 7. Required sum is 4 by 7. We are able to form the quadratic polynomial. So, required quadratic polynomial. RQQD required QUAD quadratic polynomial. Formula is k into x square minus s. S for sum plus p for product. S for sum, p for product. K into x square, right, x square minus s. Minus is sum of the product. 4 by 7. 4 by 7 x plus 3 by 7. 3 by 7. So, if we take k, if we take LCM, k equal to 7 is LCM because we got 1. 7x square. 7 divided by 1 is 7. 7 into x square, 7x square. Minus 7 divided by 7, 1. 1 into 4, 4x. Minus plus 3. 3. So, we take k equal to 1 by 7. So, we can take 1 by 7. If we take k into k equal to 1 by 7, you will get 7x square minus 4x plus 3 is the required polynomial. Question number 3. If alpha and beta are zeros of the quadratic polynomial, p of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. We have to find another quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 alpha plus 1, comma 2 beta plus 1. First, write p of x. P of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. It is a given polynomial. From the given polynomial, find the sum of zeros and the product of zeros. Alpha plus beta equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Here coefficient of x is minus 3, minus of minus 3 by coefficient of x is 1. So minus of minus 3 plus 3 by 1 is 3. Then find product of zeros. Alpha into beta. Alpha into beta equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Constant term is 2. Constant term is 2 divided by coefficient of x square is 1. So 2 by 1 is 2. 2 divided by 2, any number divided by 1 is same number. So this is. Now, what is the given zeros? Given two zeros are 1 0 is 2 alpha plus 1, comma 2 beta plus 1. 1 0 is 2 alpha plus 1, another 0 is 2 beta plus 1. Then we have to find required sum. Required sum is yes is equal to add both the zeros. 2 alpha plus 1 plus 2 beta plus 1. 2 alpha plus 1 plus 2 beta plus 1. 2 alpha and 2 beta we can add. 2 alpha plus 2 beta is 2 alpha plus 2 beta only. 2 alpha को 2 beta add करना 2 alpha plus 2 beta plus 1 plus 1 2 1 plus 1 2 இந்த 2 alpha 2 beta we can take 2 common. 2 எடுத்துட்டா alpha plus beta plus 2. இப்போ இதுக்கு வேல்யூ போடு. இதுக்கு வேல்யூ போட்டா alpha plus beta is 3. Alpha plus beta is 3. 2 into 3 plus 2. 2 into 3 plus 2. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 plus 2. That is the required sum. Now we have to find the required product. Required product now 2 alpha plus 1 into 2 beta plus 1. 2 alpha plus 1 2 beta plus 1 multiply. Then we first 2 alpha into 2 beta. 2 alpha into 2 beta. 2 into 2 4. Alpha into beta, alpha beta. 4 alpha beta. Then 2 alpha plus 1 plus 2 alpha. Then 1 into 2 beta, 2 beta. 1 into 2 beta, 2 beta. 1 into 1, 4 alpha beta. Here we take common 2. 2 into alpha plus beta plus 1. Now substitute the values. 4 into alpha beta is 2 plus 2 into alpha plus beta is 3 plus 1 is equal to 2, 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 15 is a required product. 15 is a required product. Now we have to required polynomial. Write the in required polynomial. Required polynomial is equal to k into x square minus s. S denotes required sum plus p denotes required product. So k into x square minus sum is 8. 8x plus 15 plus 15. X square minus 8x plus 15. That is taking the required sum is k into x square minus 8x plus 15. K is any real number. K is any real number. K is any real number. Question number 4. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, p of x is equal to x square minus 3x minus 2, find another quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 1 by 2 alpha plus beta and 1 by 2 beta plus alpha. First write the given polynomial. P of x is equal to x square minus 3x minus 2. What is alpha plus beta? Sum of 0 minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square equal to minus point of x is minus of minus 3 by point of x is 1. So minus of minus 3 plus 3 plus 3 by 1 is 3. Then find alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is constant term divided by coefficient of x square. What is the constant term? Constant term is minus 2. Minus 2 divided by coefficient of x square is 1. So 1. Minus 2 divided by 1 is minus 2. Then the given two zeros are given two zeros. What is the given two zeros? 1 0 is 1 by 2 alpha plus beta. The another 0 is 1 by 2 beta plus alpha. 1 by 2 beta plus alpha. First we have to find the required sum. Required sum is yes is equal to 1 by 2 alpha plus beta plus 1 by 2 beta plus alpha. This is one fraction, this is one fraction, we have to add two fractions. See, if you see the denominator, both the denominators are different. If the two denominators are different, to take LCM, we have to multiply both the denominators. See, LCM is 2 alpha plus beta into 2 beta plus alpha. LCM divided by first denominator is this will be cancelled. We will get 2 beta plus alpha. 2 beta plus alpha into 1 is 2 beta plus alpha. LCM divided by this denominator is, this will cancel, you will get 2 alpha plus beta. 2 alpha plus beta into 1 is 2 alpha plus beta. 2 alpha plus beta. If we check, you can add alpha plus 2 alpha, 3 alpha. 2 beta plus beta, 3 beta. 3 alpha plus 3 beta is the numerator. Denominator we have to multiply. Here, 2 alpha into 2 beta, 4 alpha beta. 2 alpha into 2 alpha, 2 alpha square, 2 alpha square, plus 2 beta into 2 beta, plus 2 beta square. Alpha into beta into alpha is alpha beta. A bit long question. You can take 3 common in the numerator, 3 into alpha plus beta. Now, 4 alpha beta, 5 alpha beta. This we can take 2 common, 2 into alpha square plus beta square plus 5 alpha beta. How 5 alpha beta? 4 alpha beta plus alpha beta, 5 alpha beta. In this we can take 2 into alpha square plus beta square. But we don't know the value of alpha square plus beta square. To find alpha square plus beta square, we got one formula, alpha square plus beta square equal to alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Alpha plus beta the whole square is minus 2 alpha beta. So you write 3 into alpha plus beta divided by, in place of this, 2 into alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta plus 5 alpha beta plus alpha beta. Now substitute the answer. 3 into alpha plus beta is 3. 3 into alpha beta is 3. 3 into 3, y. 2 into, what is alpha plus beta? 3 square, minus alpha beta is minus 2. 2 into minus 2 plus 5 into minus 2, because alpha beta is minus 2 is equal to 3 3s are 9, 2 open the bracket, 9, 3 square is 9, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 minus 10. 5 into minus 2 minus 10 is equal to 9 divided by 13. 9 plus 4, 13 is equal to 26. 26 minus 10. 26 minus 10 equal to 9 by 16. 9 by 16 is the sum of the required product. Required product is equal to 1 by 2 into alpha plus beta into 1 by 2 into alpha. 2 alpha plus beta into 2 beta plus alpha. 1 by 2 into alpha plus beta, 2 into beta plus alpha is equal to multiply 1 by 1 into 1, 1. Again multiplication. 2 alpha into 2 beta. 2 alpha into 2 beta, 4 alpha beta, plus 2 alpha into 2 alpha, 2 alpha square, plus beta into 2 beta, 2 beta square, plus alpha beta is equal to 1 by 4 alpha beta plus 5 alpha beta 4 alpha beta plus alpha beta 5 alpha beta plus you can take 2 common 2 into alpha square plus beta square. Alpha plus beta square we can substitute alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. See same. This is nothing but one and the same. 5 alpha beta 2 into alpha plus beta the whole square. So this is 1 by the answer is the denominator answer is 16. The denominator answer is 16. 1 by 16. We can substitute that answer. 1 by answer is 16. Therefore, required quadratic polynomial. Required quadratic polynomial. Formula k into x square minus s for sum plus p is equal to k into x square minus product is sum is 9 by 16 in dx plus 1 by 16. The answer is k into x square minus 9 by 16 in dx plus 1 by 6. Question number 5. If alpha and beta are two zeros of the quadratic polynomial, p of x is equal to x square plus px plus q, form a polynomial whose zeros are alpha plus beta the whole square and alpha minus beta the whole square. The two given zeros are alpha plus beta the whole square and alpha minus beta the whole square. First, p of x. P of x. X square plus px plus q. X square plus px q. Sum of zeros. Minus coefficient of x square divided by coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of x is coefficient of x is p, but formula is minus p. Coefficient of x square is 1 is equal to minus p. Sum of zeros is minus p. Net product of zeros. Sum of zeros alpha plus beta. Product of zeros alpha into beta is equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Constant term is q. Q divided by 1. Q divided by 1 is q. So we have found sum of zeros and a product of zeros. Now what is the given zeros are alpha plus beta the whole square and alpha minus beta the whole square. Now we have to find required sum and required product. Required sum. Required sum is yes. Required sum is yes is equal to alpha plus beta the whole square plus alpha minus beta the whole square. We know a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b the whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Substitute the formula. A square alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta plus alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta plus 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta cancel. Then alpha square plus alpha square 2 alpha square. Beta square plus beta square 2 beta square. We can take 2 common. 2 into alpha square plus beta square. 2 into alpha square plus beta square. Now we know a plus a square in algebraic formula, in algebraic We know one formula a square plus b square equal to a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. A plus b the whole square minus 2ab. We can use this formula for this. So 2 into alpha square plus beta square equal to 2 into alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta is equal to 2 into alpha plus beta is minus p. Minus p the whole square plus p square. This is minus p because of the square, minus p the whole square plus p square minus 2 into q minus 2q. This is your sum of zeros. Required sum is 2 into p square minus 2q. 2 into p square minus 2q. Now we have to find product of zeros. Required product. We have to find required product. Required product is equal to P is equal to alpha plus beta the whole square into alpha minus beta the whole square. Alpha, this is one zero, this is another zero, product of zero. Alpha plus beta the whole square into alpha minus beta the whole square. See, we got one formula. In algebra we know the formula a minus b the whole square equal to a plus b the whole square minus 4ab. A plus b the whole square minus 4ab. If you remove the bracket, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 4ab. That plus 2ab minus 2ab cancel. A square plus b square minus 2ab which is equal to a minus b the whole square. Therefore, a minus b the whole square can be written as a minus b the whole square can be written as a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. Square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to a minus b the whole square. Therefore, next product is equal to alpha plus beta the whole square into, in place of alpha minus beta the whole square we can write alpha plus beta the whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Because a minus b the whole square is a plus b the whole square minus 4ab. Likewise, alpha minus beta the whole square equal to alpha plus beta the whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Now we know alpha plus beta, we know alpha into beta is equal to minus p the whole square into minus p the whole square minus 4q is equal to minus p into minus p p square into minus p into minus p p square minus 4q. This is the required sum. This is the required sum. We know the required, it is the required product, sorry, this is the required product. This is the required sum. We know the required sum and the required product. Now we are able to form the quadratic polynomial. Required quadratic polynomial is formula k into x square minus s. S means sum of the zeros. Sum of the required zeros plus p product of zeros k into x square minus s. S is p2 into p square minus 2q into x plus product p square into p square minus 4q. The required quadratic polynomial k into x square minus 2p square minus 2q into x plus p square minus 4q into x, which is the required polynomial. You must practice, generally you will get some practice, generally you get it of this one. Question number 6. If alpha and beta are the zeros of a quadratic polynomial, P of x is equal to 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Find another quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 1 minus alpha by 1 plus alpha and 1 minus beta by 1 plus beta. How to find? First write P of x. What is P of x? P of x is equal to 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Find sum of zeros. Find sum of zero. Alpha plus beta equal to sum of zeros is minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x is plus 2, formula minus 2 by 3, 2 by 3. And product of zero, alpha into beta is constant term divided by coefficient of x square is equal to constant term is 1, coefficient of x square is 3, 1 by 3. What is the two given zeros? Given two zeros are 1 minus alpha by 1 plus alpha and 1 minus beta by 1 plus beta. 1 minus beta by 1 plus beta. Find required sum. First to find required sum. Required sum is denoted by S. That is 1 minus alpha by 1 plus alpha plus 1 minus beta by 1 plus beta. How to add? By taking the LCM. This is one fraction, this is second fraction. Both the denominators are 1 plus alpha and 1 plus beta. To find LCM, you have to multiply both the denominator. If you multiply both the denominator, 1 plus alpha and 1 plus beta is the LCM. LCM divided by 1 plus alpha is 1 plus beta. 1 plus beta into 1 minus alpha. 1 plus beta into 1 minus alpha. Then write plus. LCM divided by 1 plus beta will give 1 plus alpha. 1 plus alpha into 1 minus beta. 1 plus alpha into 1 minus beta. Now you multiply. 1 into 1, 1. 1 minus alpha. Plus 1 plus beta into 1 plus beta. Beta into minus alpha beta. Plus 1 into 1, 1. 1 into minus beta. Alpha into 1 plus alpha. Alpha into minus beta. Multiply denominator also. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into beta plus beta. Alpha into 1, alpha. Alpha into beta, alpha beta. Now we find the value. See, minus alpha plus alpha cancel. Minus beta and plus beta cancel. 1 plus 1, 2. Minus alpha beta, minus 2 alpha beta divided by 1 plus alpha plus beta. Because it is addition, we can write any manner plus alpha beta. Now substitute the value. 2 is 2. 2 minus alpha beta is 1 by 3. 2 into 1 by 3 divided by 2 into 1 by 3 divided by 1 plus alpha beta is minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Now simplification. 2 minus 2 by 3. 2 into 1 by 3, 2 by 3. 1 minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. For denominator LCM is 3. Here 1. 3 2s are 6 minus 2 divided by, here the LCM is 3. 3 minus 2 plus 1. 3 3s are 1. 1 into 2 2. 3 divided by 3 1. 1 into 1 1. So now 4 by 3 divided by 3 minus 2 1. 1 plus 2 by 3. 2 by 3. That is 4 by 3 into 3 by 2. We have to multiply by taking reciprocal. This cancel, this is 2. So required sum is 2. We got the required sum is 2. Now we have to find required product. Required product. P, required product P is equal to 1 minus alpha by 1 plus alpha into 1 minus beta by 1 plus beta. 1 plus beta. Multiply. Numerator into multiply. 1 into 1, 1. Minus beta. Minus alpha. Plus alpha beta. Divided by 1 plus beta. Plus alpha. Plus alpha beta. Is equal to 1. You take minus sign outside. Alpha plus beta plus alpha beta by 1 plus alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. If you check minus into alpha, minus into plus minus into beta, minus beta, then substitute the values. 1 minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 divided by 1 minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Now 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 divided by 1 minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Now taking LCM. The LCM for numerator is 3. LCM for numerator is 3. 3 by 1, 3 divided by 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 plus 1. 3 divided by 3, 1. 1 into 2, 2. 3 divided by 3, 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. For this LCM is 3. Here 1. 3 by 1 is 3. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3, 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. 3 divided by 3, 1 into 1 is 1, plus 1. Now you check 6 by 3, 6 by 3 divided by 2 by 3. 3 minus 2 by 3. If you take 6 by 3 into reverse, 3 by 2. So answer 6 by 2 is 3. That is the required summation. Required product is 0. Required product is 0. We know that we calculated the required sum as 2. We calculated required product as 3. Now we have to substitute in the formula. Required polynomial. Required polynomial. K into x square minus sum into x plus p. S for sum, p for product. K into x square, sum is 2. Sum is 2x plus product is 3 where K is any non-zero real number, that is the required polynomial. Question number 7. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, p of x is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4, form a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are one zero is alpha square by beta and the second zero is beta square by alpha. ஒரு quadratic polynomial கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அந்த quadratic polynomial வச்சு we have to form another quadratic polynomial whose zeros are alpha square by beta and beta square by alpha. First writing polynomial p of x. What is p of x? X square minus 3x minus 4. Find sum of zeros. Sum of zeros is alpha plus beta is equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Minus coefficient of x here minus of minus 3 divided by coefficient of x square is 1. Minus of minus 3 plus 3 by 1 3. Product of zeros. Product of zeros is alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is constant term by coefficient of x square is equal to constant term is minus 4 by 1 equal to minus 4. See what is sum of zeros and product of zeros. The given two zeros are one is alpha square by beta, second one is beta square by alpha. Now we have to find the required sum and the required product. Required sum is equal to S. Is it right? Yes. Equal to alpha square by beta plus beta square by alpha. Now we have to add two fractions. If you took both the fractions, the denominators are different. If the two denominators are different, LCM is product of the two denominators, alpha into beta. Alpha beta divided by beta, we will get alpha. Alpha into alpha cube plus alpha beta divided by alpha, we will get beta. Beta into beta square, beta cube to beta cube. Alpha cube plus beta cube, we don't know the value. But in algebra we will formula a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b the whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. We got an algebraic formula a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b the whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Likewise, therefore, alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta the whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Now we substitute alpha plus beta the whole cube is 3 cube minus 3 into alpha beta minus 4 into alpha plus beta 3 is equal to 3 cube is 27 minus into minus plus 3 into 3 9 into 4 36 9 into 4 36 27 plus 16 13 63 is the sum of the required sum is 63. Now it is by the required product. Required product is equal to alpha square by beta into beta square by alpha. Alpha square by beta into beta square by alpha. This is the relation, multiplication relation. We can cancel beta, the square cancel, alpha, the square cancel is equal to alpha beta. P equal to P for product is equal to product of 0 is minus 4. Product of 0 is minus 4. Therefore, required quadratic polynomial. Required quadratic polynomial is k into x square minus s into x plus product. S for sum, t for product. K into x square minus product sum is 63x plus sorry minus 4. This is the required quadratic polynomial k into x square minus 63x minus 4. Question number 8. If alpha and beta are two zeros of the quadratic polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 5, then form a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are alpha by beta and beta by alpha. The given quadratic polynomial is p of x is equal to x square minus 5. P of x is equal to x square minus 5. Find sum of 0 and product of 0 of this polynomial. Sum of zeros. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. What is coefficient of x? There is no x term, therefore coefficient of x is 0. Divided by coefficient of x square is 1. Is equal to 0 by 0, 0 by 1, 0. Then product of 0. Alpha into beta is equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Here the constant term is minus 5 divided by 1 is equal to minus 5. Now the given two zeros. What is the given two zeros? Are alpha by beta and beta by alpha. Find required sum. Required sum is yes. You have to add both the zeros. Alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. We have to add two fractions. Adding two fractions we need LCM. The LCM, because both the denominators are different, we can multiply the denominator, that is the LCM. Alpha beta by beta, we will get alpha. Alpha into this alpha square. Plus alpha beta by alpha is beta. Beta into beta square. We can substitute the value of alpha beta, but it is not possible to substitute the value of alpha square plus beta square. But we got the relation alpha square plus beta square can be written as alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta is equal to alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta by alpha beta. Now what is alpha plus beta the whole square? Alpha plus beta the whole square is 0. 0 square minus 2 alpha beta is minus 5 divided by minus 5 is equal to, now 0 minus 5 10 plus 10 by minus 5 equal to minus 2. Minus 2 is the minus 2 is the required sum. Now required product. Required product means we have to multiply alpha by beta into beta by alpha. Alpha by beta by alpha. Since it is a multiplication, it is cancelling, it is getting reduced equal to 1. The answer is 1. There is no alpha cancel, beta cancel, therefore answer is 1. Therefore the required product is 1. The required polynomial. Is equal to formula k into x square minus sum into x plus p. P for product, S for sum. X square minus required sum is minus 2x plus 1. That is the answer. Required quadratic polynomial is k into x square minus 2x plus 1, where k is any. Now also where k is any real number only. Where I have not written that where k is any real number. Question number 9. If alpha and beta are zeros of the quadratic polynomial, p of x is equal to x square plus 6x minus 4, then form a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are alpha square beta and alpha beta square. First write the quadratic polynomial. P of x is equal to x square plus 6x minus 4. X square plus 6x minus 4. Find sum of zeros. Sum of zeros is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square is equal to minus coefficient of x 6. Coefficient of x is 6, but minus 6 by 1 equal to minus 6. Product of zeros. Alpha beta is equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square, coefficient of constant term is minus 4 divided by 1 is equal to minus 4. Now we have to write given zeros. Given two zeros are alpha square beta and alpha beta square. Alpha beta square. Find the required sum. Required sum equal to s is equal to alpha square by b. Alpha square beta plus alpha beta square. See here alpha beta, take common alpha beta into, after taking alpha here we get only, take alpha beta we will get only alpha, plus here we will get only beta. So for confirm multiply alpha beta into alpha square beta, alpha beta into beta, alpha beta square. So we can substitute the values. Alpha plus beta is minus 6. Alpha plus beta is minus, alpha into beta is minus 4. Alpha into beta is minus 4. Alpha plus beta is minus 6 is equal to plus 24. Minus into minus plus 6 into 4, 24. Now required product. Required product. Required product is equal to alpha square beta into alpha beta square. Since it is a multiplication, we can multiply alpha square into alpha cube. Beta into beta square, beta cube is equal to alpha also cube, beta also cube. You can write alpha beta the whole cube. Alpha beta the whole cube. Alpha beta the whole cube is alpha minus 4. Minus 4 the whole cube. Minus 4 the whole cube is minus 64. Minus 64. Now we have to form what is the required polynomial. Required polynomial. K into x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product. K into x square minus sum of zero is 24 into x minus 64. That is the required polynomial. K is any K is any real number. Question number 10. If alpha and beta are the two zeros of the quadratic polynomial, p of x is equal to x square minus 6x plus 4, then form a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 1 by 2 alpha, 1 by 2 alpha and 1 by 2 beta. First you write the given polynomial. P of x is equal to x square minus 6x plus 4. Then find sum of zeros. Sum of zeros is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square is equal to minus of minus 6. Coefficient of x is minus 6. Coefficient of x square is what? Plus 6 by 1 is equal to plus 6 is equal to plus 6. Product of zeros is equal to alpha beta is equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Constant term is 4. Coefficient of x square is 1. 4 by 1 is 4. The given two zeros are one is 1 by 2 alpha and 1 by 2 beta. The two zeros are this. Find the required sum. Required sum denoted by s is equal to 1 by 2 alpha plus 1 by 2 beta. Again, addition of two fractions. How to add two fractions? Because LCM. Since both the denominators are different, we have to multiply both the denominators. 4 alpha beta. 2 alpha into 2 beta, 4 alpha beta. 4 alpha by beta divided by 2 alpha. 2 alpha. 4 alpha beta divided by 2 alpha. Alpha cancel 2, it is 2 beta. Likewise, 4 alpha divided by 2 beta, 2 alpha is equal to 2 into, take 2 common, alpha plus beta by 4 alpha beta. So 2 to cancel 4, alpha plus beta is 6 by 2 into alpha into beta is 4. Alpha into beta is 4. The answer is 1s are 3s are. So sum of the 0, required sum of 0 is 3 by 5. Required sum of 0 is 3 by 5. Then find required product. Required product is equal to 1 by 2 alpha into 1 by 2 beta. 1 by 2 alpha and 1 by 2 beta. 1 into 1, 1. 2 alpha into 2 beta, 4 alpha beta. Substitute 1 by 4 into alpha beta is 4 equals 1 by 16. We find the required sum and we find the required product. Substitute in the formula. Required polynomial is equal to k into x square minus s, x plus p. S denotes sum of zeros, p denotes product of zeros. K into x square minus sum is 3 by 4x plus 1 by 16, where k is any real number. Where k is any real number.